Introns get removed from mRNA sequences during what?
RNA processing in eukaryotic cells.
Yes.
Next question.
Sorry, just that noise is just really distracting.
Yeah, I mean, my neighbor really loves to just get it on every fucking Monday morning at 10 a.m. Yeah, like clockwork.
Oh. I mean, maybe she's just working out.
Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, no, it's definitely CrossFit. Can't you hear how great her form is? See? Definitely CrossFit. Not obnoxious, animalistic like sounds coming from my whore neighbor on Easter Monday.
Should we study somewhere else?
No, absolutely not. We have like a half hour before we have to leave for the exam. I mean, just do your best to ignore her and focus. So, nucleotide excision repair cleans up UV light damage to DNA. Transcription factor 2H. Jesus Christ, shut the fuck up! We can go. Let's just go.